Hello friend, today we discuss how to convert Google Earth point latitude longitude to Excel format and Word format. It is very important if you want to share a hard copy to other person with latitude longitude position, and if you want to share any person to landmark, so you share landmark latitude longitude in hard copy, Excel format, Word format. If you want to share a position of your plot and any area, east, west, north and south, you take a particular point of latitude longitude in Google Earth and convert it Excel and share it. And if you want to go any study area by using latitude longitude, so it is very important for us any location to share other person with hard copy and soft copy. So it is very important topic today, conversion of latitude longitude to Excel format. So we go particular location, we write here Delhi and go particular location. We go particular location, we choose here and insert here a point. So first we create a folder, right click my place and add, go to folder, write here name, point name and OK. We select it. If you want to put here a point, you select here point and go to add place mark and put here exact position. We put here and we write a name 1 and OK. Second point, we select point name, go to add place mark and select second point. OK. And third, fourth. If you want to many, so you also take same position, same process and take many point and OK. We save it and we right click and save as place. We particular position, we write here 0.1 and save it and we open ArcGIS software and go to Arc Toolbox and go to conversion. Select here from KML to layer, double click and select here KML file .1 and OK. Its output location, if you want to change, you also select here and change it. OK. We find it all position and we export it. Data, right click, go to data, export data. Write here name, save and OK. We remove it, find a save file. Here is save file. We also check property. Its coordinate, a geographic coordinate system and word projection. So we also convert it UTM. OK, and we go to R catalog and data management, projection and transformation and project. We select here save file and we change it UTM. If you not have here, you go to projected coordinate system and UTM WGS 9084 Northern. You select here WGS 9084 43 north. Here WGS 9084 UTM zone 43 north and OK. Your location is other, so you select other UTM zone and OK. You see it, projection. It's convert WGS 9084 UTM zone 43 north. OK, we export it. If you not need any field, so you unselect all and OK. Export, right click, go to data and export. We select here final save file and save. OK, and remove it. Right click and open. Here is not any field, so we calculate here latitude longitude. So we write here field name, add field, x coordinate, and select text. X coordinate. OK. Second, y coordinate. OK. Right click and go to calculate geometry and select here x, and we select here, if you want to decimal degree, select here decimal degree. If you want to degree minute second, you select degree minute second. We select here decimal degree and OK. Here is x coordinate and right click y coordinate, calculate geometry, y coordinate point, select here decimal degree and OK. If you want to change action, you also select all and copy and go to Excel and paste here. You also write in serial. Serial number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we convert it and save. If you want to save it. We convert it. If you want to write here long and lat. It is very important. If you want to go to Word format, you go Word, You open, and we also paste here. Here is Word file. If you want to adjust it, adjust and save. And we share a other type. You copy it and you also export it. Export in DBF. If you have multiple point, so you also export in direct Excel. So we select here file name, and save. Okay. We go to DBF file, we select DBF file and drag to Excel. You also double click on DBF file, so you also open. Here we receive and we write here point 1, 2 and 3, 4. You also save it. Let's save. If this video is good, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.